Hello, my lovely students. Today we are going to study a new lesson, which is it's about reading. It's reading skill time on page 78 on the class book. 78 on the class book. I hope you to take out your book and turn to that page. First, we are going to learn some new vocabularies. And we have 6 new vocabularies as you see on the picture. The first one, we have shout. You know what it means, shout? Shout, it means hawar kirdin, yakhud qija kirdin. Okay. The second one, we have chase. Chase, okay, when you chase something or when you chase somebody. Watakate kato, badwai shtek dara, okay, yakhud kasek. Heyo badwai dara, okay. Ma'awi bigrid. The third one, we have catch. Catch, okay. Catch, it's opposite for through. It means girtnawa, okay. Next one, we have meet. Meet, it means chow pekotin, when you want to meet somebody, okay. After that, we have cross. If you see cross, it means parinawa. Then if you want to cross a street, if you want to cross a bridge, wata parino based purdek da yakhud parino based jadek da. The last one, we have laugh. Okay, laugh, it means pekanin, wata pekanin ki zor yakhud pekanin baqaqabet. All of these words, they are verbs. Shout, chase, catch, meet, cross, laugh. All of them, they are verb. Okay. I want you to know that, to mention about that. All of them are verbs. Later, you can bring your notebook and write down these vocabularies, these words on your notebook. You can add it to your notebook, you can rewrite it to, or on your notebook as well, okay? But after that, we have a piece of writing, which is a type of short story. Now, we are gonna listen to the audio, okay, to get the pronunciation very well. Then we are gonna explain it together. So the title for this story, this short story, it's The Gingerbread Man. The Gingerbread Man. I want you to explain this title. Ginger, it means zanjafil. Bread, it means naan. The gingerbread, it's a type of cookie or it's a type of biscuit. What a la biscuita. Why it calls Gingerbread Man? Because if you look at the shape, it looks like human being. So when somebody wants to cook this gingerbread, she wants to rename it Gingerbread Man because the shape, it looks like human being. Okay, so now let's listen to the audio together, and I hope you to bring your pencil and mention about all of the sentences in this story or all of the words. Okay, so now let's listen together. Sorry, let me show you. Then
one day, an old woman makes a gingerbread man. When it is ready, the old woman wants to eat him. But the gingerbread man laughs and shouts, "Run, run, run if you can! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man!" The old woman is angry. She chases him. The gingerbread man meets a cat. The cat wants to eat him, but he runs away. He runs to the river. He wants to cross the river, but he can't swim. There is a fox near the river. "I can swim," says the fox. "Sit on my head." The gingerbread man sits on the fox's head. The fox starts to swim. "The water is deeper now," says the fox. "You must sit on my nose." The gingerbread man sits on the fox's nose, and the fox opens its mouth and eats him.
So right now, dear students, you have to pay attention because I'm going to explain this story for you. As I told you, the title is The Gingerbread Man. One day, an old woman makes a gingerbread man. When it's ready, the old woman wants to eat him, but the gingerbread man laughs and shouts, "Run, run, run if you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." The old woman is angry. She chases him. زۆر بە کوردی پێم خۆش ئەمە بکەم بە کوردی هەرجانە من لەگەڵ ئەوەدا نیم هیچ بابەتێکی ئینگلیزی ترانسلیت بکەم بۆ کوردی بەڵام بۆ ئەو قوتابیانی کە ڕەنگە زۆر بەباشی لە ئینگلیزیەکە تێنەگەن پێم خۆشە بە شێوازێکی زۆر کورد وەختە سەمەڕایزی کەم بۆتان بۆی بە جوانی بابەتەکە تێبکەن. ڕۆژێکیان ژنێکی پیرمان هەیە ئەوێ چی بکە ئەوێ جنجبرێت دروستکە واتە بسکویتێ دروستکە لە شێوەی مرۆڤ بێ بەڵام کاتێک ئامادە بێ وەژنە پیرەکە ئەوێ بیخوا ئەم جنجبرێدا چیەکا دەستەکە بە پێکەنین و هاوارکردن وەڕا ئەکات و بۆ ئەوەی ژنەکە نەیخوا و ئەڵێ بە ژنەکەڵێت یەڵی "You can't catch me." تۆ ناتوانی من بگری. I'm the gingerbread man. لەبەرەوەی من gingerbread manم. باشە. The old woman is angry. She chases him. ژنەکە زۆر تووڕە ئەبێت و بە دوایە ڕائەکە. ئەگەر لە پیکچێکەیە ببینی if you see in this picture you see the old woman is chases the gingerbread. Move to the second part. The gingerbread man meets a cat. If you see in this picture, okay, if you see the gingerbread man, there's a picture here. Sorry, in this picture, okay, the gingerbread man meets a cat. The cat wants to eat him. Oh, something bad happens here. You see? But he runs away. Okay? He runs to the river. You know what it means, river. I hope you know. River, it means rubar, chubla rubaraka. He wants to cross the river, but he can't swim. If you see the gingerbread, okay, it can't swim. Okay, it can't swim. So let's see what will happen in the third part and the last part. There's a fox near the river. Oh my God. Something bad again happens to the gingerbread. "I can swim," said the fox. You see, the fox said that. "Sit on my head." The gingerbread man sits on the fox's head. Oh, you see, the gingerbread man trusted the fox easily, so it is bad doing. The fox starts to swim. The water is deeper now. You see, you know what I mean, deeper. It means awaka qultira bet baro qulbun ache hatawaku awkatika foxaka badam malaka. Said the fox, "You must sit on my nose." You know what does mean that? The gingerbread man. The gingerbread man sits on the fox's nose. You see? The gingerbread trusted the fox, okay, and sits on the fox's nose. And the fox opens its mouth and eats him. So finally, there's someone that he could eat the gingerbread man. The gingerbread man, he doesn't let the old woman to eat it, but finally, if you see, the fox ate the gingerbread man. And this is the last of the story. If you see, the message behind this story is that you have to be careful every time. Don't trust anyone easily. Maybe somebody wants to dig a hole for you and he wants to do something bad to you. So never trust easily. Okay? And that's all. Now, dear students, let's practice on the book, which is, as I told you, page 78. Here, there's an exercise. We are going to do it together. It says, read again and write T if it's true or F if it's false. Here we have some questions or some sentences. You have to recognize them, which one is true and which one is false. So let's do it together one by one. Number one, the old woman makes a gingerbread man. It is true because if you pay attention, we talked about the old woman wants to make a gingerbread man. So this one is true. Number two, the old woman runs away. The old woman runs away or the gingerbread runs away. So this one is false. Write down F. 3. The gingerbread man meets a monkey. For the first time, if you look at the picture, the gingerbread man meets a monkey. No, he meets a cat. So this one also is F. It is false. Number 4. The cat wants to eat the gingerbread man. Yes, of course. The cat meet the gingerbread man, he wants to eat the gingerbread man. So this one is T. True. Number 5. The gingerbread man can swim. No. If you remember on the story, it's written the gingerbread man can't swim. That is why he went to the fox's nose. So the gingerbread man can swim. This one is F. It means false. The last one, the fox eats the gingerbread man. The fox eats the gingerbread man. If you see her and open its mouth and eats him, so it's true, because finally the fox could eat the gingerbread man. And now let's move to the workbook. On the workbook we have page 78. If you see page 78, and we have these exercises, you have to do them. It will be homework. Page 78. 78 is homework for you, which is about the story that we learned today. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your attention. And that's all. Goodbye. Have a nice time.
Gigabox!
This is the story of the Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, a little old woman and a little old man lived in a cottage near a river. One morning, the little old woman decided to bake a gingerbread man as a little afternoon treat. As she rolled out the dough, she cut it into the shape of a little man. She used icing to give him eyes and a smile, gumdrops for buttons and a cherry for a nose. She then put him in the oven to bake. A few minutes later, the little old woman checked to see if he was cooked. As soon as she opened the door, the gingerbread man jumped out of the oven and ran through the open kitchen door.
"Don't eat me!"
He shouted. The little old woman was very surprised, but she was also very hungry. So she called to her husband, and they both ran out the front door and after the gingerbread man.
Stop!
They yelled.
Please stop!
But the gingerbread man did not look back. He kept running, down the lane and into the woods as he sang.
Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
As he entered the woods, the gingerbread man came across a pig.
Stop! I would very much like to eat you.
The gingerbread man did not stop. Instead, he ran right past the pig.
I've outrun a little old woman and a little old man, and I can outrun you too. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
It was not long before the gingerbread man saw a cow grazing at the edge of the woods.
Stop, little man. I'm very hungry.
But the gingerbread man was just too fast for the cow.
I've outrun a little old woman and a little old man and a big fat pig, and I can outrun you. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
The cow decided to chase the gingerbread man too, right behind the pig and the little old man and the little old woman. But the gingerbread man was just too fast. A little further on, the gingerbread man came upon a horse.
Stop running! I want to eat you!
But the gingerbread man did not stop.
I've outrun a little old woman, a little old man, a big fat pig, and a lazy cow, and I'll outrun you too. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
Of course, the horse did not like being taunted, so he too chased the gingerbread man, behind the cow, the pig, the little old man and the little old woman. But still, the gingerbread man ran even faster. Soon he came to a rushing river.
Oh no! If I get wet, I'll melt. But if I don't, they'll catch me. What do I do?
Just then, a sneaky fox appeared and said,
I can help you across the river. Climb onto my back and I'll swim across.
The gingerbread man did not trust the fox.
Do you promise you won't eat me?
Of course I won't eat you. I just want to help you.
The gingerbread man decided that trusting the fox was better than being caught by the horse, the cow, the pig, and the little old man and the little old woman. So he climbed up onto the fox's back and together they swam across the river. They were about halfway there when the fox said,
I'm getting tired. You should climb up onto my head.
So the gingerbread man did. They were about 3/4 of the way there when the fox said,
I'm getting tired again. You should climb onto my nose.
So the gingerbread man did. They reached the other side of the river, and before the gingerbread man could climb down, the fox flicked his nose and tossed the gingerbread man high into the air. He opened his mouth as wide as he could and...
Chomp!
And that was the end of the gingerbread man. The end.